Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make restaurant-style salsa. You're not going to believe how easy it is and how delicious it turns out. It tastes so fresh. I hope you enjoy it. Here are the ingredients we're using for our restaurant-style salsa. So I have 2 small cans here. They're each 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes that have green chilies in them. I have a lime that I'm going to use the juice of. I have a jalapeno that I've cut in half. I've removed the seeds because I don't want it to be too hot. I have a small onion cut in quarters here. I have a little handful of cilantro. I have 2 cloves of garlic, which I kind of rough chopped here because everything is going to go into this food processor. And so you don't really need to do a lot of prep work. So here we go. Here it is. Just check it for taste. Before I poured it in the bowl, I added a tiny bit of oregano, and there you have it. Thick, yummy, restaurant-style salsa.